in the oven about 30 minutes. Let it do what it does. Come out crispy and evenly cooked. Just, man, ain't nothing. I used to fry it all the time, and then Juani put me on putting it in the oven. I didn't take too long, but that 30-minute wait is worth every minute of it. Cause it come out lined up perfectly, everything is evenly cooked. It'll be just as crispy. 350 for 30 minutes. They come out even every time. There go my bill. See, American, see how I line my bacon up nice and even for you, you know what I mean? So them strips gonna come out real good, like. And I go up in here like this there. Like here right there.
Like here right there.
Yeah. And I do that there. And I set my timer. 30 minutes every time, perfect. Not 31, not 29. 30. Remember that song about Marvin Gaye? Not Marvin Gaye, Teddy Pendergrass. Did everybody on there? Not 70-30, not 60-40. Talking about that 50-50 love. Yeah.
So I used to do our bacon like that, and Mr. B was like, it take too long. He's like, it takes too long. But that's how my great granddad would make the bacon. And so, you know, when you fry it in the pan, it seems like it dwindles away. So, well, it does dwindle away. And this way you can get the full size of the bacon, and it just tastes very good. So, have a little bit of this dressing left, and this is the perfect portion for us.
I hate to waste all that good food like that. I want to tell her she usually overdo it, but this year it was only me, her mom, her daddy, and her brother came by this year. So it was a quiet Thanksgiving. We usually have a house full, and we usually have people that when they take plates, they take plates. Last year I only had one serving last year. I was so
year before last.
The year before that, yeah.
Yeah. And so I just made the dressing in this plate. I showed that to you guys in a haul that I did, and these are like the professional grade bacon pans, and I also got the bacon sheets, and they are very, very heavy, and so you can put these in the oven up to 450 degrees. So yeah, and they're non-stick. So and you can put them in a microwave. But yeah, so I just made enough for this, and it was enough. We just had that little bit left, and so that's good. So one day if I'm cooking something, we have a little bit of the dressing left. So if I'm baking some chicken, I need a side, I can just put that out and like kind of constitute it a little bit. And there we go. That's our side. Reconstituted. Reconstituted. I brought out my Food Network lingo out on you.
You can't spell it, but I'm like,
spell it reconstituted.
That's what I deal with, America. Help me out, America. This is what I do. Now, who make the best coffee in the world?
Mr. B makes the best coffee
in
the world. Let me see you know what you're doing. Let's see if you forgot.
Don't embarrass me in front of America. I'm making.
Okay.
You ain't even.
Because we don't have any more stir sticks. You know what you forgot? You done put my French vanilla in there.
I did. That's French vanilla coffee. What you talking about?
No, you done put my creamer in.
I put the regular cream in there, back.
What regular cream?
Half and half.
Yeah, I want mine.
Oh, well. Man, I can't be perfect all the time.
It's still good. It just needs my little extra. That's what it needs. Just little. Where the spoon go? Yeah. Let's see. It didn't need a lot, just a little bit. There we go. See?
Let's see.
I need to get some more stir sticks. I need to put that on the list. Because we are out. And I like to drink my coffee, y'all know, out of a straw.
You get you a spoon, baby.
I know. And slurp it with a spoon. I'm just trying to go ahead. So for breakfast, what are we having this morning?
Well, we potatoed out. We're gonna have bacon, rice, and eggs, and biscuits.
Cause y'all know why? Cause
I'm Geechee.
no. So tell me this. I may have asked you guys this before. Growing up, what did you have for breakfast? I grew up and we had grits, cream of wheat, oatmeal for breakfast. Or did you have rice and potatoes for breakfast? He grew up having like rice and potatoes.
We ate grits too, but we put sugar in our grits.
Yeah, they put sugar in their grits. Y'all know it. Down here in the South, that's a no-no. West Coast thing, we went with that one Christmas.
No, that was
year before last. I had a Christmas, y'all remember. It was Thanksgiving? No, it was Christmas. I had a brunch with the family here for Christmas. And I had this big spread and I had my grits, my fancy grits. All the people from the West Coast came in the house and was putting sugar on my grits. Oh my God, I was clutching my invisible pearls. And I'm like, even the ones who were born and raised here, I'm like, where you get that from? And so she was like, I think I've been in California too long. Oh my goodness, so they was putting sugar on my white cheddar. I was appalled. And they was like, oh, it's good, whatever. I'm like, if y'all wanted cream of wheat, I could have made y'all cream of wheat. That's not what that is. But all of them, they were like, what is sugar? I was like, what you need sugar for? They were spreading it on their grits. So that's another question. Do you guys eat your grits with sugar or butter and cheese or just butter and black pepper? My great-grandmama would do hers with just simple, she would put cheese on it sometimes, but sometimes she would just have butter and black pepper. The dogs are upstairs running around playing. You hear Pooter. That's the thump Mr. B wanted to hear. He wanted to hear pitter patter.
Nah, not that kind of thump. I want to hear somebody say, come down saying, Pop, Pop. Breakfast, Pop. The dogs, they ask me for breakfast. They don't know how to talk, but they sure want to know what's for breakfast. So they'll be on me like 2 hours on Tuesday. What's for breakfast, Pop, Pop? That's what your grandmama down here cooking. I'm proud of you.
Today the 28th? Oh, it sure is.
So yeah, America, this is what we do. That bacon already smelling good. Only been in here about 7 minutes. Ooh,
Smelling delicious.
Smelling off the chisel.
Delicioso.
Yeah, so a little coffee to start this Sunday morning off. NFL football,
Yeah.
Football season.
Yes, that's what he does. Come downstairs,
make breakfast, clean the kitchen so she can get dinner started. My wife said, I don't clean in no dirty kitchen.
I said, I don't clean in no dirty kitchen.
You don't cook in no dirty kitchen. So that's all I heard. When she first told me that, every time I cook breakfast, I'm washing and cleaning at the same time because I want this motherfucker to be spotless. So she can get in here and make my supper.
Really? Supper?
Yeah.
I told y'all think Mr. B is all West Coast and West Side and all that. That's some country in there. That's some scuba Mississippi mixed up in there. Right there.
Hey, well, I'm from the sip. That might be some sipping. And here go another Ollie Bird. This is another star of the show, Mr. Handsome himself, Mr. Ollie Bird. Badass. Y'all want to know what's going on in the kitchen? What's for breakfast? Pop, flop, huh? He's such a baby. He just love to be rubbed. But he bad as hell. Don't let them handsome looks fool you. This boy bad. Huh.
He said, you smelling like bacon.
I know what
She
you
said,
smell.
we having bacon for breakfast.
That's when you smell bacon. Wash my hands, America, touching the dog. I was like, oh, that basins is nasty. Yeah, just touch them dogs and watch them eat. I don't want to eat over their house. Nah, we don't get down like that in the boogie down.
Finally got some more awesome so that we can clean that sofa over there because it was supposed to be gone by Thanksgiving. That's what it was told to me. I would have it by Thanksgiving. Well, we're at the 27th.
Don't hold your breath.
The 28th. The sofa's still over there. So she gonna have like another week or so, or I'm gonna go ahead and put it on offer up in somewhere.
Offer up, pay up.
But yeah, so because this is messing up my design. What I have planned.
You put on my rights.
So yeah, so he's gonna do. So this one, like you said, we're having rice. I grew up with like the grits and stuff.
Rice and eggs, American rice and eggs. Ain't that the bomb?
Rice and eggs.
Some buttered rice.
Didn't grow up like that with the rice and eggs thing.
No.
So it's been like the last 17, 18 years that I've been doing the rice and eggs thing.
No, we've been doing that longer than that, right?
How long? Okay, 22 years.
Get my years right.
22 years of that. Rice and eggs. And so I also had some more Hawaiian rolls left over. And so I like making like little breakfast sandwiches with these.
No ham. We didn't have a ham this year.
No, we didn't have ham.
We usually have our ham and eggs this year.
Yeah, because I don't cook ham like that. So when we do have it, we'll have like ham and eggs, or I'll make
ham, eggs, and grits.
Yeah, or I'll do the little sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches with the Hawaiian rolls, and wrap them up, and then we can leave out, going out the door. We can get one, go out the door, or we have these for breakfast also. It's probably good.
I know I made it.
Yeah, you did very well. So we are just gonna go ahead and finish all this, and we'll come back in a couple of minutes. So while Mr. B is making breakfast, I am going to go through this tree bag to see what I actually have in here. So I have this deer that I probably picked up at the end of the season, a beautiful gold color. These are some wreaths that I made last year, and they're actually garland, so I'm going to use those. I'm also going to use this Noel sign, and then I have a lot of garland that I will be using. Some of it is lit, some of it is unlit, and I need to figure out which one I'm going to use. And then I have another deer here. I love this one. I don't remember where I bought this one from. I think it was Michael's. And then I have these beautiful black deers that I used last year. And if you saw the Christmas holiday mix collaboration, I shared the matching trees that are velvet trees, black trees. They're so pretty. And so now I'm going to take out the 3 pieces for this tree. Now this tree is a tree that came from Hobby Lobby. I'm sorry, it came from the At Home store about 4 years ago. And guys, it is such a beautiful tree. I caught it on sale. I think it was like $79 or something like that. And it's very full. It is flocked, and it is gorgeous. I purchased it at one of their pre-Black Friday sales. One of the best purchases I have made that actually saved me money. So you have the stand, and then you have the 3 pieces of the tree, and they just literally click into each other, and it makes everything so easy. And they have lights, and they just attach, and there you go. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do, because I have this this sofa still here, in the meantime until it is gone, I'm going to put the tree right here, because eventually I want to put it here on this wall. So yeah, so I'm going to move some stuff around over here. I think I'm going to put that plant Pauline up there in the front so she can still get some indirect sunlight. and she needs to be watered, so I need to do that. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and set up this tree quickly. Now the tree that I am putting up is the tree that I picked up maybe 3 years ago from the at-home store, and they had a really good sale. I think I got it for like $69 or whatever, and it is a 7.5 foot. It might be an 8 foot. I don't know now, but it's a really tall tree, and it's very full, and it's flocked. So you guys are gonna hear in the background, Mr. B is listening to his sports. Can y'all believe that? I had sports on the TV, sports on the phone, and if he could, he would have sports on Alexa. So that's what you hear in the background. So hopefully I can have a little bit of background music on here to kind of